عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد, gather around your listeners. Let me tell you the tale of how the Kaaba, the holy site in Islam, was built by Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail alayhi salatu wassalam. In the scorching desert of Arabia, Allah commanded Prophet Ibrahim to build a sacred house, the Kaaba, where people would worship and unite. Ibrahim, obedient to Allah's will, set out to fulfill this noble task. Accompanied by his son Ismail, who was still a young boy, Ibrahim traveled to the site of the Kaaba. Together they began constructing the sacred edifice stone by stone. As they walked, Ibrahim would often look at Ismail and say, "Oh my son, I have been commanded by Allah to build this house. Help me, and may Allah accept our efforts." Ismail, eager to assist his father, would reply, "I am here. Oh, help you, father. Let us walk together to complete this noble task." As the Kaaba began to take shape, Ibrahim and Ismail built the sacred well of Zamzam, which would become a source of refreshment, guidance for generations to come. Finally, the Kaaba was completed. Ibrahim stepped back, gazed upon their handiwork, and cried out, "O Allah, make this a place of peace, and bless those who come here seeking our guidance." As they finished building the Kaaba, Allah commanded Prophet Ibrahim to call people to pilgrimage and worship at this sacred site. Ibrahim, with a heavy heart, wondered how he would accomplish this task. He was in a remote desert with no one in sight. Miraculously, his voice echoed across the desert, reaching herds of people far and wide. Among them was Hagar, Ismail's mother, who had been separated from his son. She was searching for him. She found Ismail. She was overjoyed and thankful for Allah reuniting them. It wasn't until the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came centuries later that the Kaaba was cleansed of its idols and restored to its original purpose, the worship of one God, Allah. And so, dear listeners, this story was Ibrahim and Ismail alayhi salatu wassalam building the Kaaba, serves as a reminder of the power of faith, obedience, devotion to Allah, importance of true purpose, this sacred site. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.